Hi guys, there's very good news regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is gonna skip Exynos for 2 years, so the S23 and S24 are gonna be powered by Qualcomm flagship chipsets worldwide. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the Exynos 2200 was no doubt a disaster for a flagship chipset. It had a lot of issues, especially for the premium price of the devices it was powering. But Samsung can't just stop making Exynos. Instead, they're going to improve it, and to do that, they're gonna take a break from making flagship Exynos chips for 2 years. And in those 2 years, Samsung is gonna use Qualcomm's flagship chips in every region and every country of the world. So the Galaxy S23 series is gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 worldwide, which means there isn't gonna be an Exynos 2300 next year. And the year after, the S24 series is gonna be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 worldwide. So there isn't gonna be an Exynos chipset for the next 2 years. And I think this is a really good move because people are tired of the lackluster performance of the Exynos chipset. So giving every customer the same device powered by the same chipset, regardless of their region, is a step in the right direction. So here's what's gonna happen to Exynos in the 2 years it's gonna be absent. Samsung LSI and Samsung Mobile Division are gonna work closely together to improve the Exynos chipset, like I've said in previous videos. The report from South Korea says Samsung is gonna launch a team for the project in July called Dream Platform 1 Team. The team is gonna be made of 1,000 employees from both Samsung Mobile and Samsung LSI division, and their job is to make the first Galaxy-only Exynos chipset by 2025. Just the way Apple's A-series chips are tailor-made for the iPhone, that's the kind of integration Samsung is trying to achieve by incorporating this team. The team is gonna be jointly led by the head of Samsung Mobile Division, TM Roh, and the head of the LSI division, Park Young-in, and their goal is to improve the integration and performance of the Exynos chips and Samsung Galaxy flagships, and the new chips are gonna be exclusive to Samsung flagship devices. So next year, everyone is gonna get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and we already have some performance metrics courtesy of Ice Universe, and I'll be covering that in another video. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it, and be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.